Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video you can insert a SIM card at the LG V40 ThinQ. Okay, what we need is next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box and you will find it in between that little plastic bag here. And yeah, otherwise you could use also the edge of a paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, the main SIM card you will enter like this. So missing corner, and the contacts are below. Yeah, and for the second place you have to decide between a microSD card if you want to extend the memory, or to have a second SIM card. If you decide for a second SIM card, you put it like this. So also missing corner, and the contacts are as well below. Okay, in case you want to have a microSD card to extend the memory, you cannot use a second SIM card, and you will enter the microSD card like this. Also the contacts are below now. So that construction you put back into the phone like this, or otherwise with the two SIM cards now. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again. Maybe until next time. Ciao.